All right, so this is basically of course, the end of the WordPress e-commerce, development video where we talk about how to build website. That's your e-commerce website, your shop, your online shop with WordPress. So at the end of the day, we've talked about designing the home page. I've shown you, steps to actually remove pictures, edit pictures, add text, buttons and the rest. And then we moved to the part where we talked about the products, adding the products, how to, of course, write out or how to get your descriptions, just as I said, using AI to get your description, of course, the perfect description that you want to use for your WordPress shop or your e-commerce shop, right? So we also discussed about the payments, basically setting up Paystack, because we actually use Paystack as a reference, right? So at the end of the day, let's check out how our website looks. So I'll just walk you through the overview of the end point of the results that we got at the end of the day. So let's dive right in the video quickly and let me show you what my website looks like at the end of the design. So I just come onto my laptop right here and I click to view site. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, of course. So let's see. All right, so without wasting time, our site is on, just as we can see right here. So if you look at this top right here, you're going to see online shop, and now it's live, right? So for you to make this website live, let's go back to the dashboard. Remember before, we usually have the coming soon banner here. So just click on the coming soon and then it's going to, of course, ask you to switch to live, right? So that's basically it right there. So our website is live, and as you can see, we have a great look right here. So we have this is supposed to be like the logo. Then we have some pages: cart, checkout, my account, shop, and then of course this account logo and everything or the account icon and everything that we have. So as you can see, the website is looking splendid. So that's it. So this is just like a short what do they call it now, or what should I call it? It's a short front page for our online shop. So what we've done previously, you can go ahead and add more sections if you want to, and then see how it looks like at the end of the day. So let me just walk you through what the shop page looks like. So I click on shop. Alright, so this is basically our shop page. Remember I said once you add products, they would automatically show up on the shop page of your website. So we have these on the shop page. I can decide to add to cart, so I can decide to add this also to cart and add this to cart, and then I can just click on view cart. So it's going to take us to the cart page. So we have a cart page also right here. So these are the products I have within the cart. So these are the products I have. So basically we have the front page, which is the home page of the e-commerce website. We have the checkout, we have the my account page, we have the shop. So right now I'm showing you the cart page, and these are all the products that I've put in the cart page. So if I go ahead to click on proceed to checkout, it's going to take us to the checkout page. So without wasting time, let's just see how this looks. So I click on this. So now we are proceeding to checkout. Of course, there are other settings that you may likely want to check out, during, or on your process of developing your e-commerce website. So that has to do with, the products, if you actually are offering free shipping or any other, stuff that you want to talk about, right? Or you want to, basically implement when you're actually designing your page. But then that's by the way. So you can see right here the contact information. So the contact can actually edit his email address, edit the shipping address right here. So for the shipping address, it just basically comes here and then click on edit. So he has the opportunity to go ahead and edit that. So it says free shipping. So you can, if you wanted to add price to your shipping, you can do that. So this is basically how it looks at the end of the day, right? So this is for the checkout page. So let's return to cart on the bottom right there. So I'll just click on return to cart, and then let me just show you I've actually shown you the shop, the cart, the checkout. Let's go to my account. So I click on my account shortly. So this is the account. I can click on dashboard. Of course, it's on dashboard already. I can click on orders and then see the orders that I have, if I have any. So this is the order that I have here, a completed order. Of course, all your customers will have access to this basically. So I can click on downloads to see, my downloads right here. So in case I have any downloaded products, it's going to show up here. Then for my addresses, of course, still same stuff, my billing address, my shipping address. And then for payment methods, I have the ability to add a payment method this way. So if I click on add payment method, so I can add debit cards, credit card, Visa, Verb, MasterCard, any of these that I decided to add. Then for account details, right, I can click on that and then just give more information about myself. And then lastly, the last menu I have here is logout. So you don't really have to do anything to have these pages. Once you install the WooCommerce plugin within your WordPress, it automatically creates the cart, the checkout, the account page, and then the shop page for you. So you just want to go ahead to design the home page, add products, and everything is set, right? So this will be the end of the video for the e-commerce development websites, right? Or the e-commerce development course. My apologies. I hope that you have a wonderful experience as you try to implement everything that we've actually done here. And then of course, I also hope that you are able to learn more, see more stuff that you can add. Remember, knowledge should always be added. You can't stay stagnant in knowledge. Go ahead and learn more about it. And you also have the ability to download the WooCommerce app on your mobile phone, right? So you can download it from your Play Store, and I also think from your App Store too if you're using an iOS device. Just go on it, download the WooCommerce, and from there you can, of course, log in, and then from there you can have access to, to log in, you just need to put in your WordPress admin email and then your WordPress password. So while you're installing the WordPress, you want to take note of that, right? And then once you log in, from there you can add products, from there you can delete products, from there you can edit, or change the product's images and do so much stuff right there, because you don't always want to come on your computer to do this, right? You can just actually do that from the comfort or the flexibility of your mobile phone. So as I said earlier, this will be the end of the WordPress e-commerce development video. I hope that you've learned a lot and you're able to implement all that we've said here. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next lesson.